Hi dear students, this is Ms. T.M. Rahini from Sir Isaac Newton CBSE and Metric School, Papakoil, Nagapattinam. Today I am going to teach you class 4th English. The topic is the electrifying life of Nikola Tesla. I have already taught you in the last week. Just recap it. He was born in Croatia in 1856. He had his scientific knowledge from his mother, and he is interested in science and math subject. Now then he went New York to meet whom? To meet Thomas Edison, and they both joined together and they both find some home appliances, electrical home appliances for business too. You have already answered for the question 2. Now look at the next page. You have 9 to 14 points here. Look at the 8th point. He built power plants based on the direct current system. DC is direct current system, and another one we will have is alternating current system. Here one power plant was built almost every kilometer. The current would pass from one plant to another, which would then connect to homes. For each 1 kilometer, they have one power plant to connect homes. Now look at the 9th paragraph. Tesla worked hard at Edison's company. Now Tesla worked hard at Edison's company. He improved several machines that Edison has designed. Edison already designed some machines, he have already designed DC or a bulb, anything. Okay, now this Tesla was improving the mechanism of the tools. Now look at the cloud point. If you improve on my DC system, I'll give you $50,000. Now what Edison told to Tesla, he told, I'll give you $50,000 if you improve this system. Now look at the 10th paragraph. He is asking for reward. It was there in cloud form. Actually this Tesla was asking for, he discovered AC current system, that is alternating current system. Look at the paragraph. After several months, Tesla came with the alternating current system, that is AC. It was cheaper and better than DC. Actually DC was discovered by Edison and AC was discovered by whom? Nikola Tesla, and could carry electricity for longer distance. This AC was much cheaper and better than DC, and it can carry electricity for longer distance. Then look at the 11th paragraph. They both had quarrel between each other. Edison refused to pay him. He did not want an alternative alternative to his DC current. Tesla became angry. Now this Nikola Tesla, he discovered AC current, that is alternating current. Now it was became popular than DC system, so he turned against Nikola Tesla. Edison refused to pay him. He did not want an alternative current to his DC system. Tesla became angry. Now this Tesla, look at the 12th point. They both have they both have quarrel between each other. Your DC model is weak and expensive. Now one is telling that your DC model is weak and too expensive, and now Edison is telling that you are talking rubbish. AC models are dangerous. Edison is suggesting that AC models are dangerous. Tesla and Edison did not agree on many things. They both did not convince themselves. Then look at the 13th point. Tesla left Edison's company and started working on the AC system of electricity, which became popular. Now Tesla came out from Edison's company and he started new company. Then look at the 14th point. The AC system should be banned. It can kill people. Now Edison turned people against Tesla system. Edison tried to turn people against Tesla system, but it did not work. The AC model started being used widely and is use even today to supply electricity. Even today, now in our house also we use AC system alone. Thank you, dear children. We'll teach the next part by the next week. Thank you.